Hi, in today's video, I will show you how to set up Face Unlock on your Android phone. Face Unlock allows you to unlock your phone using your face instead of entering your password, PIN, or pattern every time. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and look for an option called Security, Security and Privacy, Lock Screen, or Biometrics. The name may be different depending on your phone brand and Android version. Tap on the option that contains your phone's face recognition settings. You may be asked to enter your current password, PIN, or pattern. Enter your current screen lock to continue. Now, look for an option called Face Recognition, Face Unlock, or Face. Tap on it to begin setting up Face Unlock. Your phone will show you some information about using face recognition. Read the instructions, then tap Continue or Set Up. You may be asked to hold your phone in front of your face. Make sure your face is clearly visible and that you are in a well-lit area. Look directly at the front camera and follow the instructions shown on your screen. Keep your face inside the frame while your phone scans and registers your face. Try to keep your phone steady during the setup process. When the scan is complete, your phone should let you know that your face has been successfully registered. You may also see additional options, such as unlocking the phone directly when your face is recognized. Choose the options that you prefer, then complete the setup. Now, let's test Face Unlock. Press the power button to lock your phone. Turn the screen back on and look directly at the front camera. If your face is recognized, your phone should unlock. If Face Unlock does not work properly, make sure the front camera is clean and your face is clearly visible. Try setting it up again in a well-lit area if necessary. Keep in mind that Face Unlock may not be available on every Android phone, and the available features can vary depending on your device. Your phone may also occasionally require your PIN, password, or pattern for additional security. If you cannot find the Face Unlock option, open Settings and use the search bar. Type Face Unlock or Face Recognition to quickly find the correct setting. And that's it. You now know how to set up and use Face Unlock on your Android phone. Happy watching, and don't forget to subscribe.